What's up, everyone? Today we're going to take a look at the Dakine Charger bike jersey. We're going to flip through some of this information here. It's a Boundary SS jersey in the blue rock. It does have channel flow technology as well as polygene, which helps with the odor-free and or keeping it odor-free. And the channel flow is their fabric, which is kind of like a Nike dry fit, but it offers these different things. So we'll start off by saying this is really lightweight. It basically almost feels like there's nothing there. And we're gonna go straight to the tag, and it's 92% polyester, 8% elastane, and yeah, it's really light. As you can see, this front panel is perforated all the way through, as well as the back panel. Let's get you some measurements here. So from neck to neck, it's going to be about 7.5 inches. Your chest is going to be, well, let's go from pit to pit, corner to corner. You're looking at about 18 inches. And the bottom's going to be about 21. From pit to bottom of the jersey is 19 inches. From the top of the shoulder down, you're looking at 28 inches. The cuff on the sleeve is going to be about 6 inches, maybe 5.5, 6 inches. The back, this is light blue. The back's going to be a solid blue. So here you go with the back, which is solid blue for the most part. So it's reverse of the accents on the front. It's a nice lightweight shirt or jersey. There is no padding in it like some jerseys. This is essentially just a lightweight shirt that's great for breathing on those nice sunny hot days, especially if you're wearing a pack. Helps wick away that moisture on your back, or at least help it dry out a lot quicker when you're done riding. If you got any questions, please let me know. This was on sale, I believe, through REI. It was $26.83. It retails for $37.93 according to this here. Well, I guess it was originally $55, but anyway, I think they still have some on REI's outlet or garage. Not the garage sale, but the REI outlet online. Anyway, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this review. If there's anything else I can answer for you, let me know. This does appear to be a decal or vinyl iron-on logo, not necessarily painted in the material or stitched in. It's not embroidered, but it is vinyl of some sort. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good day. I forgot to mention, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.